Section 9 contains the provisions on how to handle the dangerous goods once they are packed, marked, labelled, and the documentation is prepared. This includes provisions about storage, segregation, loading, unloading, inspection, and reporting of incidents, as well as the acceptance procedure for operator agents. Let's check some of these responsibilities. The operator's acceptance staff must have received training to correctly identify and detect undeclared dangerous goods consigned for transport as general cargo. Many ordinary-looking items may contain dangerous goods, and often general names are used in the content description of a cargo shipment. All the documents must be checked, and if necessary, they must ask for evidence from shippers that the shipment does not contain dangerous goods. The presence of the GHS pictograms on a package which indicates that contents may pose a risk to persons or the environment may need to be taken into account, even when the contents are not classified as dangerous goods. Packages or overpacks containing dangerous goods must be inspected for signs of damage or leakage upon unloading from the aircraft. If evidence of damage or leakage is found, the position where they were stowed on the aircraft must be inspected for contamination damage. Any hazardous contamination must be removed. If it is evident that a package is damaged or leaking, or if it is suspected that the package may have leaked or been damaged, access to the package should be restricted. Local safety and emergency procedures should then be followed. When necessary, additional steps for the protection of persons, property, and the environment should be taken in accordance with the competent authority to overcome and minimize the consequences of such leakage or damage. Operators must report dangerous goods accidents or incidents, any occasion when undeclared or misdeclared dangerous goods are discovered in cargo or mail, any occurrence when dangerous goods are discovered to have been carried when not loaded, segregated, separated, and secured in accordance with the DGR provisions, any occurrence when dangerous goods are discovered to have been carried without information having been provided to the pilot in command. Such reports must be made to the appropriate authorities of the state of the operator and the state in which the event occurred. The provisions in the DGR also apply to helicopter transportation of dangerous goods. Due to the differences in the type of operations carried out by helicopters, there may be circumstances when the full provisions of the DGR are not appropriate or necessary. In such circumstances, the state of the operator may grant an approval to permit such operations. Consideration should be given to the type of packagings, protection of those packagings, effect of airflow and weather, and dangers of static discharge upon landing or release of the load. The International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, provides a series of emergency response drill codes in the document Emergency Response Guidance for Aircraft Incidents Involving Dangerous Goods. This code consists of a combination of letters and numbers which represents suggested responses to incidents involving the specific dangerous goods entry to which the drill code is assigned. The document also contains general provisions on how to act in case of an incident involving dangerous goods, in case of fire, spillage, or leakage, with considerations for the risk to the aircraft and the health of the occupants and other considerations. It also includes several instructions and checklists about what to do in case of an incident. The ERG code may be added by the operators to the information provided to the pilot in command, the notification to captain, NOTOC. The ERG code for each entry in the list of dangerous goods can be found in column N.